Did you know that some of the most vibrant creatures on Earth look like they were pulled straight out of a fantasy movie? Take a look at these mind-blowing hummingbirds and exotic species, sporting neon crowns, iridescent ruffs, and colors so intense they almost look CGI. Nature spent millions of years perfecting these jaw-dropping feathers just for elaborate courtship displays, turning these tiny birds into absolute masters of style. It's hard to believe these incredible creatures actually share the planet with us. If you think nature is the ultimate artist, hit that follow button right now and comment which of these stunning birds was your absolute favorite.